Now to another big story in our state, jobs. Tonight, you'll see some will do anything to find one, while others will travel great distances to keep one. But first, new figures show unemployment is down slightly in Oklahoma City. Even better, our 6.2% jobless rate is one of the lowest in the country, far below the national rate of 9.4%. But that is little comfort for Oklahomans who are looking for work. New at 6, John Jordan takes us to the place where, for most, the job search continues.
Was that your title? What did you do?
At the South Oklahoma City workforce location, many eager job applicants are hard at work looking for work. One of those is Katie Bloodworth, a single mother of two, desperate for a paycheck.
When I walk in somewhere and ask if they're hiring, it's more like door in your face.
Unfortunately for Bloodworth, she hasn't had the same kind of luck as Ted Williams, a homeless man from Ohio with a golden voice.
Say something with that great radio voice.
When you're listening to nothing but the best of oldies, you're listening to Magic 98.9.
The video resurrected Williams' radio career, a touching story that's also frustrating for those like Bloodworth.
They should give more people a chance, that are coming out of the workforce agency rather than people that are just walking off the street.
Fortunately, Bloodworth hasn't given up hope, like many others have.
There certainly are a lot of individuals out there that we call discouraged workers, people that would like to have a job and have looked in the past, but they're not looking right now.
And those discouraged workers are left out of the data, making the unemployment number lower than it should be.
Probably is a day of good news, but just not as good as the headline numbers might sound.
Still, Gray says he has seen too many things pointing to an economic recovery for him not to be encouraged.
Going forward, I am more positive, more optimistic than I have been in quite some time that the economy is about to rebound.
And to echo Gray's sentiment, one economist, when speaking about the unemployment numbers, said the glass may be half full, but it is at least half full. Kelly?
All right.